Hey everyone, it's Michelle again with another update. The wind is blowing, but it's windy, but not at an exaggerated pace. It's hot out. It's like 77, 78 degrees. It's 11 a.m. and the skies are clear, but you can see the clouds moving. I don't know if you could see it in the video, but you can see the clouds moving. Yeah, there's a nice breeze, but it's nothing major. Again, thanks for the prayers. I will continue to keep you updated this afternoon, and as it rolls along, yeah, the clouds are moving. Thanks for your prayers, guys. I appreciate it. Till next time.